Vlogmas day 9, about to do a Peloton ride. Got the dogs here to join me. And I wanted to let you guys know that if you have a Peloton or thinking about getting a Peloton and don't have proper shoes, Amazon is a great place to find affordable shoes. You don't need to buy the pricey ones from Peloton unless you want it, of course. Nothing wrong with that. But I like these. It was interesting because these, I think, did not come, with the pieces to hook onto the bike. But then I ordered the same exact pair for Chris, just in a different color, and then it came with it. So a little confusing, but they work. So I either want to do a 20-minute or a 30-minute ride. Let's see which ones Cody has available. Oh, I like to filter by his classes. Okay. Oh, Santa's Workshop. Definitely doing that one. I like the XOXO Cody rides, but still my favorites continue to be the groove rides. Let's start.
Cody, Santa's Workshop. I am your host, and Mrs. Claus tells all her drunken secrets to...
This is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing some Nike Dunks, Pandas, and I'm going to go to the grocery store real quick just to pick up a few things for Chris's stocking. I'm going to go get gas, and I think that's it. Just a simple thing, simple errand. And then I really want to use one of these bags. Maybe I'll use this. Maybe I'll use the Tory Burch. I don't know. I've used that once already. Maybe I should use this. Kind of looks cool. You know, like I said in one of my other vlogs, I like mixing up like a very casual look with a nice purse. So we'll see. I need a jacket. It is quite chilly today. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear this jacket because I like layering this with sweatpants and just like a casual look. I think it looks really cute. You can't see my shoes because I stuck my phone on my mirror. But this, and then maybe this bag. What do we think? Or the Tory Burch. These bags are so different, and I love both of them so much. What do we think? I'm gonna go with the black bag so that I can try it once, see how I like it. I mean, I've already decided I'm keeping it, and I'm gonna use these sunglasses because they're easy, they're simple. My hair is still a little damp. Okay, so here is the final look for running errands real quick. Can use my pocket still if I wanted, so that's always nice. And I got my purse, which is empty. I need to put stuff in there. That was a very quick grocery shopping trip for me. Well, not even grocery shopping, just getting a few things from the grocery store. And now I'm going to get gas. This is the only place I like to get gas here in town. I also need to clean a few things out from my car. I do want to keep this. because I think it's super pretty. But just a few other things maybe. We'll see. Alright, just got some gas. Now we can go home. It was a very short trip. So actually, I just got back from Le Schwab Tires or Le Schwab Tire, and turns out I had a small screw in the front tire on the driver's side. So I kept getting a notification that air was running, the air pressure was low in my tires, and I filled it. The first time we noticed, it was when it was really cold, so we filled it, and then the second time it happened again, there was just one tire that was dramatically low. So I had a feeling when it went off again this time, like a few days ago, so I thought, you know what, I better go stop at Le Schwab. It's right over here where the grocery store is at. And yeah, they patched it up. They're just like a discount tire. I had never been to one. I had never been to a Le Schwab tire, only a discount tire, so it's nice to know that we have that here. You know, we all go into our fridge and freezer quite often, even just 5 minutes later after first looking into it, thinking something new will appear. Well, I had that exact experience moments ago when I opened up my freezer and I saw waffle fries and chicken strips. And so that is what's for lunch. I got the real good nuggets or strips that I forgot about, the waffle cut fries, and then I'm gonna give the dogs some treats because they need to eat this. I am setting up for a video I wanna shoot for Vlogmas. I'm just going to shoot it ahead of time, especially on days when there's something going on. So I'm going to shoot a hair tutorial. I'm also going to shoot some content on my phone. And then I think I'm going to shoot some other videos about purses. Someone's coming to say hello. Biggie, hello there. I also recently moved this extension cord that we had where our main light in the living room, well, our second main light, I guess, was, and then moved that extension cord over here. So now for some of the hair tools that have a shorter cord, which this does not, but I have one that is really short, I just plug it in there. It's just easier to reach too compared to having to reach back over there with all this stuff in my way. So this is what it normally looks like when I am setting up the camera. I need to raise this, and I know I need to attach a mic. Oh. And then I'm usually, I try to move my light so that it blocks any sunlight coming in, because I really do like this back. I really like having natural light and the softbox lights that help supplement the natural light, if that makes sense. So I'll move that back a little bit. There we go. See, I just think it's really nice. And I feel like even though I can be well lit when it is a cloudy day and the blinds are down, this is just warmer to me. So I just finished shooting that hair tutorial. Now I'm going to try to shoot another video with my hair already done. But I wanted to show you guys, I'm sure you can notice an audio quality difference, and I hope that doesn't bug me when I'm editing this video, Vlogmas for day 10? 9. I'm always a day ahead. We'll see how that goes. So next one I think will be about, I don't know. We shall see. We got some corgi mail in, so I thought I would share that with you. The first one comes from Pennsylvania. Delaware? I guess it was mailed in Pennsylvania. This one comes with a few stickers. We've got 2 stickers, sugar and spice and everything nice, if you can see that properly. And then this one's a cute one. It's just with corgis and a Polaroid. See that? I usually save the stickers and send them to Chris's niece. Naughty or nice, it doesn't matter. Treats for all. Ta-da. It's kind of hard with the light reflecting on the photo. This next one is a postcard. Have yourself a merry little Vlogmas. And it's just all these different pictures of their dog, Colby Jack. And remember to lay under the tree to remind your family you are a gift. Wishing you a season full of love and nose boobs. Actually, I feel like I should be sending my own postcards next year. I think that'd be really cool. If we continue to do this, because it was expensive. Where did this one actually come from? There is no return address, so we will never know because it's a postcard. This one comes from North Carolina. This one says, happiest holidays, waffles and pancakes. What a cute little picture. We hope you have a wonderful holiday season and a happy new year. Breakfast corgis, that's a cute name. Love that one. This one's a small one from Connecticut. We have a little corgi stamp right there. You can see if it's not too bright. This one also has a few stickers. Oh, one sticker. Oh, that's a cute little one. You got 2 corgis. This one says, happy holiday wishes, Bentley and Yoshi. I think I'm already following them on Instagram, so